Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what credit score you need for a BMO credit card. When looking to qualify for a credit card issued by BMO, the required credit score largely depends on the specific card tier you are applying for. Generally speaking, most standard rewards and cashback credit cards require a good credit score, which typically starts around 660 to 700. If you are aiming for premium rewards cards or elite travel cards, such as a BMO World Elite MasterCard, lenders usually look for a higher score in the very good to excellent range, starting at 725 or above. These higher tiers often come with stricter eligibility criteria, including minimum personal or household income requirements. On the other hand, if your credit history is limited, or if you are working to rebuild a lower score, standard unsecured cards might be out of reach. For individuals with bad credit or those who are entirely new to credit, options like a secured credit card, such as the BMO Boost Secured Credit Card, have much more flexible entry requirements, often accommodating scores starting from 300 by utilizing a security deposit. Beyond just the raw credit score number, BMO evaluates your overall financial profile during the application process. Lenders routinely check your debt-to-income ratio, your current employment stability, your housing status, and how many recent hard inquiries you have on your credit report. Ensuring your existing debts are manageable and your credit report is free of recent negative marks will significantly strengthen your approval odds regardless of which card you choose. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.